Hello.
Hi, how are you?
How are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm good, thank you.
Good. Yeah,
Yes, I'm great.
when you book a class, you have to call the tutor. We can't call you. You have to initiate it, okay?
Yes. Actually, I was trying to connect with you. Usually, I would not able to get the reply from your end. So
Well,
that's why I told you to join the class.
I had a reservation before you, and I have a reservation after you. I did not get any calls until just now. So we have about 11
Okay.
minutes that we can speak, okay?
Yes, okay, no problem. So I already told you that I wanted to know about grammar. So please tell me few rules which I should consider while speaking English so that I become more, accurate and avoid the mistakes.
Okay, well, we need a grammar test or a grammar lesson in order to do that. Did you choose a grammar lesson in the library?
Yes, I am not sure about that, but still, if you are thinking that a specific grammar lesson which can help me in this discussion, so you can choose that one.
Well, let me see if I can find one because like I said, I don't do test prep, so it would have to be a actual grammar lesson. Bear with me 1 second to see if I can. Well, what do you know about grammar? You tell me what you know about grammar.
Yes, I know that how to make sentences and how to consider all those rules for present, past, and future. Yes, I wanted to make a little bit more correct if I am wrong in some sentences. So you can also give me some sentences, and I will be telling you that is that sentence correct or in which tense it is.
Okay. 1 second. Let me see if I can find a lesson for you.
Yes.
Which one do you struggle with? Present tense, past tense, or future tense? Which one do you think you have the hardest time with?
Yes, currently I want to know about the present tense.
Okay, the present tense is now and here. So when we speak about present tense, something that we're doing in the moment. What do you think is present tense? I learned how to speak English, or I am learning how to speak English.
Yes, I am learning to speak English. Yes.
Okay, good. Now, if I said, yesterday I learned that horses were blue, how would you turn that into a present tense sentence?
So, can you repeat the sentence? What was that?
If I said I learned that horses are blue, how would you turn that into a present tense sentence?
I learn that horse is blue.
Okay, I am learning that the horse is blue.
Okay, sorry.
So when we are doing things in present tense, we want to make sure that we use some exceptions like am in front of the verb. Now, most verbs, when we change it to present tense, we're going to add an S at the end of it. So like, she lives in Japan. He sits in a chair. So how would we take the word stay and make it present tense?
So you want me to make a sentence with stay?
In present tense.
Yes. He stays at home.
Okay, good. All right. Now, how about using the word I and the word sit? Can you make a present tense sentence with I sit?
Yes, I sit on chair.
I sit on
the chair.
On the chair. There you go. Good. All right.
Yes.
Now, when we have words that end in S, Z, CH, or ES, we have to change the ending of the word. We always add ES to the end of the word. So if we have, let's say our word is catch.
Okay.
We would turn catch into catches.
Catches. Okay.
Can you make a sentence with catches?
Yes. He catches the balls. He
catches the ball or the balls. Good. All right. How about the word miss?
He missed the chance.
Okay. He misses the chance.
So you mean that with miss, we will be adding es?
Yes. If you are using he, she, or it, we use es.
Okay.
If we use I, or you, or we can say miss. We miss the bus.
Okay.
We will miss our teacher. Like that.
Okay.
So why don't you use you and miss and make a sentence?
So you with miss or any other verb?
Yep.
You missed the chance. You missed the chance.
To what? Can you elaborate? Can you make that a bigger sentence?
You missed the chance when there was your turn.
Okay, that would be a past tense sentence. That would be you missed the chance when it was your turn. That was very close.
Okay.
In present tense, we would say you miss the chance when you leave line.
Okay.
So when you get out of line, you're going to miss the chance, right?
Yes, you're correct.
All right. How about the word fix?
6, you mean 5 and plus 1, 6? That is?
Fix. F-I-X. Fix.
Okay, fix. I am fixing the issue.
Very nice. Perfect. All right. Let's see. How about buzz? Buzz.
Sorry, I am not aware about this word.
Okay.
So buzz, what does it mean?
Noise. The bee buzzes by me. It's a noise that the animals make. Bzz.
Okay. The type of noise.
Yes.
Yes, that's correct.
All right. So why don't you use it in your own sentence?
Should I? Okay, what do you mean?
What should I do? Try to use buzz in a sentence yourself.
I am listening the sound like buzz.
Okay, I am listening to a buzz-like sound.
Yes.
Again?
I am listening to a buzz-like sound.
Excellent. Very good. All right. Our reservation time is coming to an end. I have another reservation next, so I do have to go. But if you'd like to book another class, I'd be happy to talk to you again, okay?
Yes, okay, no problem.
All right. See you next time.